Okay, break something. Break something.
It's higher than that.
Dude, you gotta spread out your body like this. Land on your ass. Huh? No. Spread out. Like this, but like on your back.
Ready? Flat on your ass. Flat on your ass.
Does it count if you're jumping?
Yes.
Just like that.
Oh my god.
Just like that.
I'm gonna break something.
Do it. No, you won't. Do a backflip.
Wait till the water.
Do a backflip.
Seriously.
Let me just figure out how to jump first.
Wait till the water comes down.
Did it hurt at all?
No. You hit the bottom. That's no joke, but it doesn't hurt.
Ow, it is kind of burning my feet.
Go for it. You're good.
Go, go, go. You could have been done by now.
Okay, can I just stand on the edge of this?
No, do a backflip.
You're not gonna be able to stand on the edge.
Do a gainer.
Dry it off. Right there. There's a towel over there. Go. Spread out. If you don't spread out, you're gonna get hurt.